to throw them onto your other hand. That didn't go out as planned. So hey guys, today I'm gonna do a new video and it is fidgets. So let's begin. So here are our fidgets. So today we have a fidget spinner, a Pac-Man fidget spinner. We have a puppet and we have a few of these, what are these called? Pixie bricks. So let's start with the first one. Let's start with the classic puppet. So as a normal puppet is, it's a rainbow puppet and it's a circle one. It's a cool one. It's a nice heavy duty puppet, not like those very flimsy ones. It's a very nice puppet. So let's move on to our second fidget toy, which is the Pac-Man fidget spinner. So this is one of my favorites because you can do some tricks with this. One of them are like this. You try to throw them onto your other. That didn't go out as planned. So here we have our toys. So first we have a puppet. So here I have a rainbow puppet, a circle one, and one of my favorite puppets is Among Us puppet. So you get those in all sizes. And a fact about puppets is that the world's biggest puppet is actually a Among Us puppet. It has 1,457 bubbles. So it's a pretty cool one. And as while you are doing this, you can on one special side, you can do a cool trick. I'll show you after I'm done with this side. So basically you can pop all the bubbles very fast. So now that I'm done, I'll show you. And if sometimes your bubbles are rigid, that means it's on the wrong side. So only a special side can be the rapid fire one. So that's pretty much a puppet. There's nothing too much about it. It's just a stupid bubble toy. So now that we are done with our new puppet, let's go on to our Pac-Man fidget spinner. So as you can see, there's a Pac-Man opening and closing his mouth. So let's spin it. It's a smooth fidget spinner. One of my favorite tricks is this because you improve your balance. And one of my favorite things, while you are in a car, you can try to do this and say to your friend or family that I will spin it till that landmark. So that would be a cool idea of game you can play with your friends or family. And the other test you can do is you can play like this and try to catch the other ones. And there's another one of my favorite tricks is this trick where you throw it up in the air while it's spinning and you have to try to catch it. And you can also play with it normally like this. So a fidget spinner is very fun, and this one is a very smooth one. And you can see that it's a black and yellow thing. But only thing which I didn't like about it is this. It kind of looks like a cyclops, doesn't it? So, but this is a very cool fidget spinner on Pac-Man. So now that we're done with this, let's go on to another toy. So this is our other toy. I know the box is empty. What's the toy? But I have already removed everything out of it. So here you can see that it's a building toy. Thanks to its name, Fidgets. So it's 120 plus pieces in this, and you can make a clownfish and a dolphin. That's cool. And it shows that you have few other sets also, like blue and green and all sorts of colors. But in our set we have white, blue and orange. So let me make something quickly and show you guys in the end. I was trying to make people going on a train, but it kind of looks a little creepy because the person on the train is much bigger than its actual. But it's a pretty cool toy. You can literally make anything except sphere. But it's a cool toy. It's a creative toy. You can spark with your imaginations and play with this all day. So it's a nice toy. So thank you guys for watching. This was my Fidgets video and I had lots of fun making it. So hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. So thank you guys. See you next time.